If you've been in business for a couple of decades, you remember the effect that Google had on you and on your company whenever it hit the scene in the late 90s. AI search is completely taking over, and it will be the top player in the next couple of years. I want to pump the brakes a little bit because it's not there yet. But if you've used any of these models, you understand that it will be the future. It is a superior product. It is the better way to find information because you can get more tailored answers to your questions. I tell all of our customers that we're in the foundation step right now. We are laying the groundwork for when AI is eventually the majority of search and the majority of the ways that people find answers online and find the products or services that they're looking for. At WebPulse, we work with companies that vary wildly in their online presence. Some of the companies we start with have been in business for years, have been building their online presence and their website for years, investing in SEO, and we just come in to take it to the next level. I think we're in the perfect time to start actively monitoring your online presence and building a foundation because we're at a turning point. It's not here yet, but AI will be the top player. And the companies that act now are going to be much better set up for the future. They're going to have a better opportunity to attract the ideal buyers and the ideal customers to their company. The people that act now and really put effort into the website side and to their messaging, they're going to be the ones that way outpace the competition in the next couple of years. Here's a good way that I describe AI, especially to manufacturers. If you go to a big trade show, you go to the bar that's there and you have the bartender that's been there for multiple trade shows, been there for years. They know all the players and they've talked to a lot of the folks that come to the show. If you go ask them, hey, who can help me with this project? Who's the best supplier for X? They're going to be able to tell you based on what they've talked to the owners of that company, based on what they talked to other people about that company. They're going to be able to give you a tailored recommendation based on all of these different inputs that they've received over the years. That's pretty much what AI is doing. AI scours the internet. They go look at all these different sources and they try to paint a picture of what each company does. It's like that bartender that's at the trade show that can tell you with actual authority and they can answer your question very specifically. There's no point in panicking about AI. It's coming. It's going to change business. It's going to change consumer behavior. But it's going to be better if instead of panicking, you learn to work with it. The more I see this landscape, the more I'm convinced that there's always going to have to be a central place of truth. It's more important now than ever to set the tone for what your business is so that it doesn't start to hallucinate and make stuff up about your company. You're the only one that understands it fully, and you know who your target audience is, you know your capabilities. This is the time to really work on messaging, get it dialed in so that as these AI bots start to crawl your content, crawl your website, crawl your videos, your reviews, that you set the tone. You get to dictate how it views your business and who it recommends your business to. WebPulse, this is what we do day in, day out. We're not a full service marketing firm that tries to do everything for everyone. We focus on search and making sure that you're showing up on Google, which is still the top player, but now setting the foundation for AI and making that AI visibility go up and up and up. And whenever it eventually does catch up to Google, and whenever ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude or Grok or any of the other ones that come along, that your company shows up when that buyer is looking for what you do. If you plan to be in business in the next decade, then this is something you need to focus on. You need to set your company up for success. The companies that act right now are going to be the ones that are successful in the next 5 years or the next 10 years. There's a tendency to look at AI as a black box and say, well, I'm just not going to worry about it. But at this point, we know enough on how to maneuver websites and content to make these AI models recognize what you actually do to where it's like, no, it's worth investing in right now. It's worth worrying about because you can pull certain levers and see certain outcomes. One thing we've noticed is that AI prefers people that specialize. So it's harder to just be a generic machining company, a generic manufacturer. It's better now if you have a really good set of capabilities that you focus on those and you advertise and message and talk about that messaging on your website. And that's the same thing for all businesses moving forward. The companies that are specialized and that can clearly explain their positioning in the market, they're going to be the most successful. The people that try to be too broad in their markets, they're going to have the hardest time ranking and showing visibility in AI. If you're a company that's focused on the future and you want to stay ahead of the game, then now is the time to make a move. At WebPulse, we work with companies that are proactive and that are striving to be the best they can be in the next year to 10 years. We want to work with companies that care about their future success. If what I'm saying resonates with you, then let's meet. You can book a call with me and we'll go through your website. We'll take a look at your overall online presence and we'll see where you currently stand. But then more importantly, we can see what you could be in the future.